All right, we're back again.
Here we are, number 6.
All right, it was colder on Monday than on Tuesday. On Monday, it was 4 degrees below 0, and on Tuesday, it was 2 degrees above 0. Which inequality shows this situation?
I don't like any of those temperatures around 0.
Ugh,
Yeah,
yeah,
it's
no
too
thanks.
cold.
So I am going to draw a picture just because I kind of like to have the visual. So
Kind of thinking like a thermometer, right?
yeah. So like here's my little thermometer. It's really cute. If here is 0.
Okay, I gotcha.
Okay. Let's see. Monday is 4 degrees below.
Ooh, below
so
0. So
down
going down.
here.
Okay.
So I'm thinking since it's a below, I'm going to make it negative.
Definitely. Yep, I agree.
Okay.
-4.
Great. And then on that's Monday, just in case we want to know that later.
Yeah.
And on Tuesday, it was 2 degrees above 0.
Okay, so it's going to be above it. So that's going to be +2 for that one.
Yeah.
Yep, perfect.
Okay. All right, so now looking at our inequalities.
So remember, Miss McCall, that inequality, they're not going to be equal to each other. It's going to show which one is greater.
Okay.
So remember, it's not the equal to sign, it's an inequality. So it's a greater than or a less than sign.
Okay. So for A, it says 2 is less than -4.
So remember, it's got to eat the bigger one, though. And I don't feel like that's right, though, because I know that 2 is bigger. It's higher up on that number line. It's greater than 0. So I don't feel like that one's going to be true.
Yeah, I agree with you. So I'm going to get rid of A. All right, B, 2 is greater than -4. That looks pretty good.
Yeah, and those were our 2 numbers we had over there on the number line. And 2 is bigger. It's still greater than 0.
Yep.
Okay, so that could be the answer.
Yeah, I'm not quite ready to settle. Let's like check the other 2 first just to make sure.
Good idea.
So C says -4 is less than -2. That's true. -4 is less than -2.
So I agree, but the problem is, though, it's got -2. And remember, our numbers were 2 and -4. So it wasn't the numbers in this situation.
That's right.
So it may have been true.
Because that above, it was 2 degrees above.
Right, so it was
right.
+2. So that one's not going to work.
Okay, I got you. So even though it's a true statement, it has to represent the
and
situation.
I think that shows this situation.
Yeah. Okay, and then the last one, 4 is greater than 2. Again,
True.
totally a true statement.
Totally.
But we did say it was going to be 4 degrees below, so -4.
Right, so that one's not going to work for this situation. So we found our answer. It's B.
Here we go, right there, B.
Perfect. Good job.
All right, thanks. So I think you should go ahead and do a similar problem just like this. Draw a picture if it helps.